Hello, everybody! Today I am going to be building a pencil in a company. Now, you might think it's like a little tiny pencil that's going to be worthless. No. I'm building a big pencil. And with this big pencil, I'm going to be killing people in our company. I think I'm just going to write down some papers and I'm going to get them. So I'm gonna try to build this pencil, and I did mine and get some RP before I started recording. So I have the thing I need. Let's get into this. Boop. Yeah, you can see me right there. Okay. We have to get the base of our pencil. The great sword. This is not the best bits of a pencil, but it'll do. And I want it to be thick, so I want another. Let me get the special bag of wisdom. What? Bro. Also known as a bag that is filled to the brim with goop. This will help me a lot. And I don't own goop. I'm gonna put it right here, there. Gonna get another. Okay. I got the pencil. So, yeah, I'm gonna have that. I want something to like go around it. What's yellow? Maybe a flashlight? I might have to use a flashlight. I guess that'll just be the holder. I'll keep it like that. I'll have some flashlights. Well, I have to have something pink. You know what? For the eraser? The eraser. Oh, wait, I have it. No, wait, maybe I can find like a modded item I own that's pink. I don't have a bag. Yes, here we go. Can't do cheese. I want something like maybe a pink Labubu. Is this one pink? No. Pink and pink Labubu. No, pink Labubu. I don't have a bag. Oh, wait, this apple. Can I do it? I think I can. I'll hope this should work. Because this is actually pretty perfect. Really sad. Yes, we have our big eraser. Now let's start putting the flashlights on. Do you only need 2 flashlights? Yeah, I want 2 more. 1, 2. Wait for our camera. Okay, yeah, it's still recording. Oh, wait. Okay, there. Got this. Put it right there. Get this. Put it right here. Oh. Oops. Ah, shoot. Maybe this should be my base. Oh, wait, hold on. That's more the side. Where'd it go? Oh, there. It's right there. There we go. There we go. That's better. You know what? I'll just keep it like this. Okay. Yes. Oh, yes, I know. Wait. One more flashlight. We have a pencil. I can also blind people with it. Very, very good. Let's go save it. I believe I have a very, very bad looking rubbish. Let's go! I'm gonna name, well, I wanna name it just for this video. Pencil. There we go. Oh, that's 1,000. And luckily I can save it, even though it has an apple. And I want my apple back. Oh. Let me just quickly put the apple back. Oh yeah, that's why. I was like, okay, why is there a goop missing? Wait, can I pick up my goop? No, my goop's lost. Sad. Well, let's go to a random store. That's not that. Put this back. Okay.
Yo, bro, where is my friend?
Bro, I lost so much goop. Okay, it's time to get the pencil out. Oh wait, this is no FFF. There's no, oh shit. Okay, they have this, I think that outfit got popular. I don't know why. Owie. There we go.
Hey, shimmy ya.
My I want to try.
Welcome to the internet.
Oh my God,
I got
no,
you. Give you Roblox. I got anything number. I got you, bro.
Magical pencil.
100 million pictures. You'll read.
Hey, what? Do you want to battle the pencil?
Hold on to your socks. Yeah, that can earn a free Roblox, though.
I don't know if it does damage when I come out here.
My vision glitched through the map.
No.
Peek
It's very heavy. No! I'm dead! No, my pencil! I have an idea. I'm gonna bust
Guys, I'm ready. I'm
I want my
gonna
pencil back.
Me.
Anybody want to battle me?
Give me one.
Hey, White.
How?
Prototype.
How? I want to become a robot. Hey.
Hey, Blue.
Ow.
Oh, you.
Oh, it's a heart.
Shimmy ya. I'm not a heart.
Wait,
I'm
you. Bro,
Be good.
Look, I moved.
can.
Why do you want
Want to battle me? I
Somebody
have a
please give me
pencil.
the robot.
Bro.
You my I want a robot because I want to do it. Hey,
Did you want to battle me?
Can you teach me how to get the whole thing? No. What do you have to fight?
This, the great pencil.
The great pencil.
Yeah, the great pencil.
Give me 1 second. Shimmy.
Nah, sorry.
Okay, dude, go. I need to get something out of
I'm trying
my
to make a roast
stash.
battle video.
Okay.
Can somebody
Fight.
join? I need 5 people. I need 5 people for the roast battle video.
The pencil.
What? Shimmy ya. What?
Wait,
Oh.
you have the robot. Here goes my favorite part of the song. Shimmy, shimmy,
Oi,
shimmy,
you
shimmy,
coming?
shimmy, off.
Oi! Come on.
Ready?
Bro, fight me!
Fight me like a mountain girls got mountain me like a mountain.
Oh my god! That's just a mighty pencil for you, bro.
Don't make it.
Ah!
Can't listen.
Ah! Charge! Almighty pencil! Ah! Oh my! Yo, what was that?
I wanna collect them.
Alright, so we're
I
gonna
can't
get
kill it
this.
with standing. My goal is to hit one person in each.
Can I come?
Oh, so there was a content creator. That's nice.
No!
Yeah. Wait, this is the same server.
Then you get him!
It's a content creator.
Yeah.
He has the content hat. He has the content creator. Ah!
No, I'm stuck. No, do a different code.
This is content creator. Oh,
No.
You know what? It's fine. I'm just still gonna. It's Shelby. 5 seconds. Ow! I can't tell if I hit him. I can't tell if I hit him.
You know?
Ow! Full. Oh my! What is that power? Bro, okay, I'm gonna actually join. No. Oh my god. Wait, connect. Okay, yes, this is a different server. Let's go. I need to hit 2 more people.
Yeah, for me.
Dang, bro, you have a discount.
The
I don't know what
pencil.
I'm
Die.
putting it in again.
Fight me!
Yeah.
Somebody
Bring it
fight
in.
me! Ooh, what's this? Fight me! Farmer! What the heck?
Donate now or else.
Did you just put rare items on that, bro?
Yeah.
Green! I need somebody to fight me! Fight me!
What? Donate or else.
Ah! Oh, he,
Okay, wait. I was
oh, I hit him! I swear I hit him. I heard the noise. I hit him, but he killed me.
He's facing the wrong way. Oh my. Bro was actually doing it wrong. Yo,
Hold on, I want that.
No, that's a really rare item.
Yeah, Ground's killing him safe zone now. They're gonna blast somebody in safe zone until they come back.
Do you have the golden shotgun, sir? I can't tell. What's the golden shotgun? Ah! Owie! I'm red ones now.
Use the Hoyt gun, guys.
I need my pencil.
Actually, they did.
Why do you need a pencil?
One more.
Why is this guy dead?
Why is he gone?
I hit it.
Die!
Ah!
No!
I got grenades.
Hey, Red.
I'm reporting you,
Okay,
Red.
the last server.
Everybody on force.
Is there some keys different color? Okay.
Everyone going to
No,
phase 5. We're playing.
Let me see it.
Phase 5.
No, let me do it first.
Okay.
Exactly.
Wait, I think I could go hit somebody.
Items, I'll trade for them.
I think I
I
can
want
go.
to set the stick up before you snitch.
I think I can go hit one more last
I have
person.
some really good stuff.
And go. I'm gonna go eat it, then I'm gonna go out.
I got
I'm just gonna hit one person.
Let me see your rarest thing.
Bro, I swear to. I swear to God, I'm not gonna.
That's your rarest thing?
This shit, man, I'm not going to bait in this video.
Like Coca-Cola.
I'm kidding.
Come to six
Yes!
Don't hit me. Please. I'm begging you. I really like Please. Please.
Your mom here. Let's kill it.
I'm gonna go kill the beast!
No, everyone.
Kill the beast!
The kid.
How do you kill that?
The kid with no. The kid with no face. With no face. The kid with no face. The kid with no face.
I swear.
You're not unkillable. And then dance tonight. Let me dance tonight. And then dance tonight.
I would see.
How
Are
much
you
is
really
being
unkillable? He's
Nah.
killable!
Come here.
I'm reviving the big boy.
I'll just get big again.
You know what?
Give me a bomb. Give me an A. Give me a B. Give me a G. Give me a 1, 2, 3.
I can give you something. Uh-huh.
Give me a 1, 2, 3.
I can launch you the gun.
Hard to make escape.
No, you can give me.
Okay.
Now, can you give me some?
That's the
Give me
end
a
of
1, 2, buckaroo.
Let me summon my frog cam.
Right now, buddy.
Hi. Hello.
You realize
That's
that
all
you
today.
right?
I did the challenge. I hit 3 people. And that's a lot.
The beast.
He took my pencil.
I need to get
The pencil is good, bro. I'll see you later.